Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your follower settings in Facebook. But first, check your special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add the follow button on your Facebook profile here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know here. Now, the thing with Facebook is they change a bit of a few things here inside their platform. So in order for you to change your follower settings here, you need to do a few things with your profile. Now, just to give you some idea, you want to go and just visit your profile here. And if you click on the three bar icon at the top left of your screen, you should be able to see the settings and privacy options. Go and just click on it and click on settings. Now, once you are in here, if you scroll down a bit in here, you should be able to see the option that says followers and public content. Now, if you select that and go to the who can follow me, typically you will only see the friends option here. Now, to change that, you need to update a few settings on your account. Now, first things first is you want to make sure that every information that you have on in this case, your Facebook account is on public. Now, since you want followers, some information should be public. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go back in here and you want to go to audience and visibility and you want to make sure that you go to turn on pro mode. Now, by the way, you are going to convert your account here into, let's just say, like an influencer account, kind of like that way. So you are going to switch this into a creator account. So you want to go and click on update your profile and just fill this up as much as you can. So you want to go and choose public here. Click on next. Now go ahead and just click on confirm. Now you can go and just customize this as you want. So say digital creator. And let's go ahead and click on a gamer. Let's just say this is personal blog. Now, once you fill up the necessary details here, you should be able to create your account. Now, by the way, it might take a while for it to load up here, so let's just wait for it. But once you provide all the details, you should be able to see the option here that it basically says that you are now in pro mode. As you can see right now, if I access that page again, it's going to say pro mode turned on, and that should basically update your settings. So if you go to followers and public content here and you go to who can follow me, it's now going to be set to public, as you can see right now. So versus what we are seeing before. So Facebook changed a few settings here. So sometimes there's a previous like a workaround that you could do here, but it currently doesn't work anymore. But yeah, so you need to turn on pro mode, and also alternatively you could go and just go back to your profile here, and if you click on the three dot option at the top right, you should see the option that says turn on pro mode as well in here. And once you click on it, it should basically turn your profile into pro mode again, and just follow the on-screen steps, and that should allow you to start seeing your followers this year. And by the way, you could also like see what it actually looks like. You can go and click on view as, but then again, it may not be updated immediately, so you may want to restart the app and to see what it actually looks like. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.